best electrical drawing software in 2026, and I mean an honest roundup, not a list of 10 tools I want you to sign up for. Here is the truth up front. There's no single best electrical drawing software. There is the right tool for the job. A panel builder wiring an industrial machine needs something completely different from a homeowner drawing a light switch circuit on a Sunday afternoon. So we're going to walk the real landscape, category by category, and be fair to each one. The paid industrial giants, the hobbyist tools, the PCB tools, the general diagram apps. Then I will show you a free in-browser option live and tell you exactly where it fits and where it does not. Let's go. Category 1. In the top of the food chain, professional industrial ECAD. This is AutoCAD Electrical and EPLAN. If you're designing a real control panel, terminal plans, PLC input and output assignments, wire numbering, cross-references, a full bill of materials generated from the drawing itself. This is the gold standard, full stop. EPLAN and AutoCAD Electrical are what serious electrical engineering firms and machine builders actually run. They understand components as data, not just pictures. They auto-number wires. They check for design rule violations. They push a real BOM straight to procurement. SolidWorks Electrical sits right beside them, tied into mechanical CAD, so your wiring and your enclosure live in one model. This category is genuinely excellent, and nothing free touches it for that job. The catch is honest and simple. It is expensive and it is heavy. Thousands per seat per year, a serious learning curve, and a Windows desktop install. That is the price of that power, and if you build panels for a living, it is worth every cent. Category 2. Hobbyist and electronics tools, where the money and the complexity both drop hard. Fritzing is the friendly one. It was built to document breadboard projects, Arduino, Raspberry Pi, maker builds, and it shows you the actual breadboard view, the schematic, and a PCB layout. It is a small one-time cost, and for teaching and hobby electronics, it is genuinely lovely. It is not built for house or industrial wiring, and that is fine. It never claimed to be. Then the PCB category, EasyEDA and KiCad. EasyEDA runs in the browser. It is free, and it goes from schematic straight to a manufacturable circuit board with a parts library behind it. KiCad is the free, open-source, professional-grade PCB suite that a lot of hardware startups now ship real products on. If your end goal is a printed circuit board, this is your lane, but that is a different job from drawing a wiring diagram of a room or a panel. So already you can see it. Electrical drawing software is not one category. It is at least 4. Category 3, general-purpose diagramming, Draw.io, and Lucidchart, with Microsoft Visio in the same family. Draw.io is free and browser-based. Lucidchart is polished and collaborative. Both have electrical stencils. Both are excellent at flowcharts, floor plans, org charts, and network maps. And both are a reasonable pick if you want one tool for everything and only occasionally draw a circuit. But here is the honest limit, and it is the same for all 3. They draw pictures. A wire is a line between 2 shapes. There is no electrical engine underneath. The tool cannot tell a correct circuit from a dead short because that was never its job. For documentation, they are great. For anything you actually need to verify, they stop at the drawing. So where does a free, in-browser tool fit in all of this? Let me be precise because honesty is the whole point of this video. It is not going to replace EPLAN or AutoCAD Electrical on a real industrial panel job. Those tools exist for a reason, and they earn it. What it is, the best free, no-install, in-browser option for quickly drawing an electrical schematic. With one thing none of the general diagram tools have, a live circuit simulation built right in. Full disclosure, and I will say it plainly, this is our tool. That is exactly why every other category got its fair and accurate credit first. Now let me show you what it actually does, live, so you can judge where it fits for you. This is the editor running in an ordinary browser tab. Nothing installed, no sign up to start. That already clears the install and license hurdle that the Pro Tools put in front of you. Down the left is the symbol library, and it is electrical from the start. Outlet, single pole switch, 3-way switch, light fixture, circuit breaker, GFCI outlet, junction box, ground, dimmer, smoke, and CO detectors, a thermostat. Real wiring symbols, not generic boxes you have to relabel. To place one, click the symbol, then click the canvas, and it snaps to the grid. Breaker, switch, light fixture, ground. No download, no license check, no seat to activate. You are drawing within seconds of opening a tab. And you do not have to start from a blank page. Here is a real, finished panel wiring diagram, open straight in the browser. Breakers, feeds, and circuits already drawn and labeled. Look at the wires. They route pin to pin with clean right angles. And here is the part that saves real time. Drag a component, and every wire connected to it follows. Rearrange the whole board, and the drawing stays tidy. In a picture-only tool, Visio, Draw.io, Lucidchart, moving a symbol means chasing the lines and re-straightening them by hand, one at a time. Here the connections are live, so the layout is yours to reshape and the wiring keeps up. It is the same convenience the Pro tools give you in a free browser tab. Now the thing that separates this from every general diagram tool. Simulation. There is a real spice engine built into the page. Open Simulate, pick DC operating point, and run it. Live node voltages and branch currents appear right on the diagram. Real volts, the return sitting near zero, real milliamps in the branches. Actual numbers, computed from the wiring you drew. If a connection is wrong, the numbers say so before you ever touch a real wire. A zero where you expected volts is the fastest fault report in electronics. No meter, no smoke, no guessing. Transient and AC sweep live in the same dialog when you need waveforms over time. Be fair about the scale. This is not a replacement for the design rule checking EPLAN does on a 100-page panel schematic. But for a circuit you're drawing right now, having it actually checked, that is something Visio, Draw.io, and Lucidchart simply cannot do. And getting the drawing out. Honestly, this is where the free plan draws its own line. PNG export is free, so you can drop the image into a doc or a message right away. On the free plan, it carries a small watermark. The vector formats, SVG, PDF, and DXF for CD, sit on the paid plan. That is the business model, and I would rather tell you than have you find out. You can also share a live link so someone else opens the diagram in their own browser. No install on their end either. For most home, auto, and hobby wiring, the free PNG is all you actually need. So the honest verdict for 2026, pick by the job. Building real industrial control panels? AutoCAD Electrical or EPLAN? Pay for the power. It is worth it. Wiring and enclosure together? SolidWorks Electrical. Hobby electronics and breadboards? Fritzing. Designing a printed circuit board? EasyEDA or KiCad. One tool for diagrams of every kind. Wiring only occasionally? Draw.io, Lucidchart, or Visio. But if you specifically want to draw an electrical schematic, free, right now, with no install, and you would love the circuit actually checked before you build it, the browser tool wins that lane. Real symbols, wires that route themselves, live simulation, and a free PNG at the end. It is at CircuitDiagramMaker.app. No install, no credit card. The link is in the description. Subscribe for a new electrical video every week. See you in the next one.